Wendy Cornelius, Water Conservation Supervisor for the City of Fresno. I oversee the whole conservation program and just help educate the public on how to conserve water. So you have the elevation, but it helps soften that grade so it doesn't look so abrupt. One of our service is doing landscape consultations. Currently the property I was at today, they are looking to do the lawn to garden rebate where they're removing their lawn. They can take out up to 1,500 square feet of lawn that our rebate covers. They get $1 per square foot. In that rebate, they have to convert their sprinklers to drip, and there is an additional rebate. So for the lawn to garden rebate, through the whole process, they could get up to $2,000 back through rebates. It can come from that point, come across this way, drop back down, and then come an arch. We come out, we start talking about what their interests are, how much maintenance they want to do, how much they want to be involved in their landscape. And then I offer, if they would like, a simple sketch that kind of based on the conversation we've had, to be able to put that down on paper. So when people park here, they can step out into this section, then come over to your walkway. Just because it's, considered water-wise, it doesn't have to, just be blah. You can have color, you can have different things blooming, attract hummingbirds and butterflies with these water-wise plants. And that's the fun part of it. It gets people interactive and they enjoy their landscape when they pull into their driveway. It's not, patches of dead grass in certain areas because that sprinkler stopped working and they have to get it fixed and they're constantly mowing. It's lower maintenance also. That's my passion, to be able to create, to design, to inspire, but also then once it's installed, to come back like 2 years from now and see how it's grown and performed. And it's that canvas that's just, it has been evolving for a few years. You want your home to be unique, and I get to help with that process.